everybody, today's video is going to be a DIY for school. For Valentine things to do in school. I'm going to show you how to do a Valentine's Day gift idea for the teachers and the goodie bags for the kids at school as well. So I'm going to be needing, or you are going to be needing these flowers. Layla's showing her elf again. These flowers, I got 3 because I have 3 teachers, so you get as many as you want. They are the roses, velvet roses. These little bears from there. They have this color and then this darker color. Of course, one is red, one is pink, and they say that it's chocolate scented, so they smell like chocolate. So I picked up these hearts for that goes with this. I will show you what goes with this craft first, and then I'll show you the goodie bag idea. The Valentine's Days, they had this Happy Heart Day and Happy Valentine's Day. I'm doing the Happy Heart Day for the red bear, and then this pink one for the pink bears. I also have this felt heart, and I have this garland mesh thing. We're gonna grab our velvet flowers over here. I'm gonna take this out, and I'm going to cut them or like pull them apart. Nice, I need to cut them, pull them apart, so I have single roses, right? So now we have our rose, then we have our little bear, and then we have our little heart. My idea was for the little bear to hold the little heart like so, and then have our little rose stick up as well, so we can make an L like that, like this. Have our little heart thing, flower stem, or you can literally wrap it around. Like it has like a little. I'm going to do the red one now, and I'm going to show you really quick. We prop up the leaves all the way up, then we make an L. We do it around the little bears behind like this, and then we're trying to put it behind his arm, so we can come with this one and then kind of like hug it like a satchel, and then we can twist around the other end of the rose stem, you see? Now that we have a little rose right there, now we can have a little heart and stick it to there. I'm gonna use this. I did get this other ribbon. It has like little monkeys and hearts or koalas. I don't even know, slots. I got this one last year or 2 years back, so I'm not sure if you're gonna find this one if you like this style of ribbon. Just a heads up. I'm not sure. I don't think I saw this year, so just about to tell you. Okay, so we're gonna cut our ribbon here, and then we're gonna grab our little, remember, we're not sticking the heart to the bear or anything, so they're able to eat their hearts, and just keep the bear with the rose. You see this? We're gonna make a little bow, because I also don't want a little bit of our bow, of our ribbon on the box. A tiny bit, like that. Look at that, see? So now we're gonna grab our red heart and our white hearts. We're gonna do white, and we're gonna put this one's from my other daughter. And there is the red one. You can see in both of the little bears, red and pink, like that. For the kids' goodie bags, you probably need your bags, your goodies, and your cards. So for that, I did got these treat bags with twist ties from the Dollar Tree. I did got the ones in the koala with the koala says Happy Valentines. I got these Valentine Classroom Exchange 30-pack boxes of the Mother's cookies, and it says Puppy Love. Look at that. So the cookies are either going to be shaped like doggies or hugs and kisses. XO, you know what I mean? Then this one, and then of course the Valentine cards, which I got from Walmart. Dollar Tree does carry Valentine cards as well, and kind of like the same kind of thickness, but they didn't have I'm not sure about the princess ones, but they didn't have the variety that we wanted. Layla wanted princesses, Luna wanted Encanto, and the Encanto one has 32 Valentines with 32 stickers. They were $2.98 from Walmart. I also got the cookies from Walmart as well. And then this one it says includes 16 bracelet tattoos, 16 Valentines with 16 bracelet tattoos. Now it has the cards and it has the tattoos. If you don't want to give them the tattoos, that's okay. You can exclude, take out the tattoos and just give the cards. And this one just has the cards. Look at this. I can show you which cards it has, and these are little stickers. They have the sisters with Mirabelle and with Isabel, and all together. So what my idea is from this one, it's just simple. You grab your cookie. These are the cookie size, so it's a good size. You can obviously give it with like this. These are Valentines as well, or you can give it with something else. You can write their name on the card, and then like this. Teachers usually don't want individual names to be written because it's easier to pass out if they're just individually. They do. It's nice if you just put from who. So from Luna. So you can grab your little goodie bags or treat bags, whatever you want to call it, and then grab your little bag. You can put in your little thing. Oh look, this is cute. The picture comes in both sides. Sometimes it doesn't carry it on the other side. And then we're gonna put that, and I'm also going to add a lollipop and then their card, and then you'll have your little Valentine's little gift. With the Encanto box, I'm gonna show you before I do everything in high speed. It has the little, these are stickers, so it has the stickers of all the characters, and it also has heart stickers, and then it has all of the cards. Look at this. It has all of these. Then the very big one. Then it has 4 copies of that, just to show you. Then I'm gonna show you the Princess 16 Valentines with 16 bracelets tattoos. So that one includes, oh, this one's very big. The big, oh, they're huge. Wow. The big Valentines. Look, Ariel, Tiana, Cinderella, Jasmine and Ariel, Rapunzel, Snow White and Tiana again. And this one has 4 plies, I think. Yeah, 4 copies. That's how the back of these look. 2 from, oh, did I show you the back of the other one look like this, very cute. And then it has the 16 sticker bracelets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one, oh, here it is. There's the other 8 of these. And these ones do not have a, no, this one doesn't have like these hearts. So yeah, so cute. I wanted to show you these ones, the princess ones that come really big. When you take out the tattoo, they have these little slits here, and then you put the corners of the little strip tattoo, and they come out like that. They're so cute. I love them. They're great size, especially for the preschool kids, because I'm using that one for preschool. They're big and cute, and that way they have, what is this? Oh, that one could be for that. And this one. They're big enough for them to hold and not like shrivel. Look at how cute. They look adorable, and I was happy that I get to have extras for myself. Yay! Now the Mirabelle or the Encanto ones, remember they had these ones and then the little strips of hearts. Now this one, it's just like the tattoo one. They have a little slit here on the corner that you can like stick their sticker here as well, so you get the corners of it just like that. And then you get to put the little sticker there. Can you see? Hopefully you can see. I put, and of course on the other side you can write to or from. Now from, I'm actually says from a sticker for you. Oh, a sticker for you, so it doesn't go on the front. I guess they're doing it for the back, so you can stick it on the back. I thought it would be the front, so you can stick it on the back because it says a sticker for you from, and we can write here, this is Luna. And then on the other side it says to Happy Valentine's Day to my 2nd grade classmate. Now that makes more sense, because see, right here is barely visible, so the other side would be much better, because that way it says a sticker for you, and they get the little card and they get their little thing. So it's better like this. So cute. So this one's actually, that is how they will end up looking. This is the other pink one I did with more of the pink bow or the pink mesh, but that's how it looks. The pink bears and our red bear. And then the goodie bags, I'm not going to show you, is the repetitive thing as well. Here comes with the princess one, the tattoos, the little pop, and the cookies. Kids get a lot of candies, so getting a cookie or anything besides a candy, it's great. I did include a mini lollipop, but I think the cookies are better than other candies. And these are the Encanto goodie bags for my 2nd daughter. You can see the little pop, the cookies as well, and then their little card with their sticker there. But yeah, that is how they end up looking, our student goodie bags and our teachers' gifts for this Valentine's Day. Hopefully you like my idea. You go ahead and go and get your, all of the teacher things are at the Dollar Tree, and our goodie bags were the cookies from Walmart, the little Valentine cards from Walmart, the goodie bag, the treat bags from the Dollar Tree. Other than that, that is all that I have for you guys today. Hopefully you like my little quick cute idea for school. Click subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.